guys, welcome to another episode of Spindle Feeds. It's been a minute since I posted a new video. The holidays had me busy with many other things. I certainly hope your holidays were all you'd hope they'd be. I'd like to jump into the new year with an easy project, just a little maintenance on the surface grinder. This is the Sharp SG618 2-axis. Last I used this grinder, the coolant pump was quitting on me, so as a means to not have to mess with rebuilding a pump, I happened to find an exact replacement. It was a new open box and quite affordable. It's sitting off to the side waiting to go to work. While we're at it, I'd like to change the lube oil, so I also have a jug of mobile vacuum line ready to go. The pump we're replacing is a Gray Mills 1/8 horsepower pump. It can be wired in single or a 3-phase. The original pump is wired for a single phase, so we'll need to make sure the terminal jumpers on the new pump are correct. Yep, they are configured for 3-phase from the factory. No worries though, this should be a quick adjustment. No voltage supply wires go to these two terminals, so we can get these tightened up first thing. Grab a screwdriver here and pull the grounding screw. put the old grounding screw back in the old pump so it won't get lost. Just a little bit of fussing with the wires through this cover, and I think we'll soon be in business. All we have to do now is simply wire the new pump exactly how it came off the old pump. And we don't want to forget to replace the terminal cover. Finally, to remove the elbow and mount it to the new pump. Man, that's tight. It needs some special attention at the bench vise, so I'll be right back. Put a couple wraps of Teflon tape on the threads here, and then get it screwed in tight. Reconnect the hose to the elbow. If I had an extra hose clamp, I'd replace this one. It kind of sucks. Just like that, we're ready to slide it back into the coolant tank. Plug in some juice. Fingers crossed. Oh, all right. I noticed that there wasn't any oil coming up through this sight glass, and so I assume the oil level is low. I'll just need to check the level on the backside of the column. This is from the lubrication reservoir, which expends the oil into the slideways and lead screws, so it's expected for the level to recede over time. Now it is a tight space back here, so bear with me because we're going to have to go handheld with the camera. We just need to remove these two screws and this cover plate for access. Oh no! Do you see that? The main tube from the pump leading to the distribution manifold is just broken. Like it's just rotted away. This is 1/4 inch PTFE tubing that I bought for another project, and I think we can use some of it here to fix this line. PTFE is designed to withstand lubricating oils as well as a host of other chemicals, so if this will work, it should be a lasting repair. This old tubing is just crumbling under a little pressure, like literally turning to dust and small particles. Oh no. This tubing isn't wanting to go in. I think I need like a 6mm tube for this, just a little smaller diameter. Alright, so I'm at an abrupt halt until I can get the right size tubing. Yes, plural, since my fat hand gently grazed the deteriorating column slideway oil tube, which caused it to snap as well. That one is 3mm OD tube. Here's a diagram of what these lines lubricate. The lead screw and cross slideway lube lines are easy to replace. This column slideway line is a project though. Off camera, I removed the screws holding on the sliding column dust guards to trace this line and catch a glimpse of where it terminates, which of course is at the top of the column. Now, in order to replace this line, I'm going to have to do a partial teardown of this column. I think we'll tackle that in another video though, since we've already strayed way outside our original scope for this video. I wonder if I should just replace these lines with brake line tubing. What do you think? Well, leave me a comment with your suggestions. If you like this video, it's easy to tell the whole world with just one click. Pounce on that subscribe button if you'd like to see the conclusion of this saga. It's free to you and it helps the channel. So until next time, thanks so much for watching.